Okay, this is a print that was 1 day and 4 hours. You can see that my support method here uses a minimal amount of material, and some of these supports were a little bit okay, I have a little bit of experience 3D printing, and I knew that these wouldn't be an issue. Just because of the way as it grew up, it had support all the way around, pretty much. So I'm going to try to take this off. It's pretty heavy too. Try to take this off without damaging the support here. Check that out. I did it. And then here's our impeller. Needs a little bit of cleanup. Nothing I can't handle though. So that was a successful print. This is a 6-inch impeller that is 3D printed that I intend to send off to Spencer Langston. Here's one of the 4-inch ones. You can see there's quite a difference in size. Yep, that's all.